Hello and welcome to my channel, or if you're not on the YouTube channel, Race for the Impossible, then welcome to my Facebook page. Today I want to be talking about Birdtown 7349 clothing. Birdtown started off as an idea after my son was born. I wanted to create something that would be eternal, something that my son would one day look back on and be proud of. Like, he would say, my father did that and he did that for me. A sort of legacy. But over the last year, Birdtown has become much more. Birdtown is more than just a brand name. Birdtown 7349 clothing. Birdtown is much more than just fashion statement. Birdtown is about the community, stories of the community, stories about the hood, story about the ghetto. This is also a way of me showing people in the place or places that I live in, type of people, type of places, people without hope, people that doesn't have a vision for the future, that don't believe, people that don't believe that they can become something. Sorry about that. Can become something. Show them that anything is possible. Birdtown is about giving the young ones a hope for the future. Tell them that yes, you can become whatever you want if you really believe in yourself and put some effort into reaching that goal. This is one of the reasons I started the Race for the Impossible project. I'm talking about Birdtown. Birdtown is about my people and people all around the world. Stories and visions, dreams, commitment, culture, creativity, love, and I can mention all of those inspirational words, but this is Birdtown. Good stories, real life, ghetto, real street, hungry and knocking on the door. At the moment, Birdtown is standing outside the door, knocking, trying to get in, and while we're knocking, patiently working towards it, but getting ready to kick down the door and move in. And as I said, Birdtown is about showing that anybody can become anything they want, and seeing that this is mostly about showing the youth that you can become anything. Failure is not an option. Birdtown will become successful. It will go down in history as one of the greatest clothing brands that has ever been started, created, made by colored boys on the Cape Flats. So success is inevitable. And for all of you that supporting this, I want to say thanks, much respect. I really appreciate it. Please share this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Race for the Impossible. Much respect. Hey, look, and please go out. Get yourself one of these Birdtown t-shirts. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, look.